This is what we wanted to see. Anything about this event?
Yeah, I'm very happy that this event happening here for the first time.
Oh yeah, yes.
Thank you.
Oh! Hey! So hello people, it's me, the Emil 05 guy from Shillong, and today I have came to witness a show which is happening in. Ma'am, what is the name of this area? Ribhoi district. So this is the entrance. This is how they are operating, and especially I was invited to this show. This is my name. I'm going to show you. See this. This is my one name only, MD Shafed Qureshi, but it looks like 3%. That is why. And she is giving me this, the band. I hope it will work out. Yes. At what time the show will start?
I think the time okay.
Oh, you are like your first day here?
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
thanks.
Just came to volunteer.
Oh, volunteer.
Friends, yeah.
Problem is that I'm not being able to record with my GoPro because camera is not allowed in this function. So that is why I'm recording with my iPhone, or else I'm going to record with my Android. Buddy, can you help me out with this? I have parked my bike outside. It is safe. This. Everything is locked.
No, the bike, the cars and bus are there, no?
Haha.
No, then it's
Enter, there's a gate there. You have to come back here or there also?
At what time the show will boom up? Five.
It's only for VIP. For general,
This ticket is for VIP general. What is like where I'll be able to sit?
You know, you'll go there, you'll know.
Oh, I'll get
It's
to know.
written.
Oh, I'll have to do like this. Thanks for this, man. Have a blessed day. Enjoy, bro. Enjoy. Ay. Ah. And this is how the ground looks like. So the problem is that I'll not be able to record with my GoPro because GoPro is totally banned here, because I have asked that why my camera or others' cameras like not allowed in this, because they have said that only professional cameramen are allowed here. So that is why I'm going to record only with my, this is my iPhone. I have brought my power bank also because iPhone battery used to drain very fast. So somehow the clips will be from iPhone and somehow the clips will be from Android. Everyone is setting their bike for a better performance for them and especially for their team. And actually the time is now 4:37. So it's been around 1.5 hours it took me. I'm just roaming out here by seeing these kind of amazing machines, especially this kid. Oh, this is the sponsors. Just read it, why it's very too many sponsors are here. Woo! Why it feels really very good. Why? I think I'm not in the track. I think so. I'm not in the track. But now it feels really very good. Why? Especially after getting this right. Thanks to the person who has I have talked to a person. Thanks to that person who have specially allowed me for this kind of event. Let's see how beautiful it looks like. They are going. This is the track. They are going to ride on this track only. Hello, buddy. How are you? Fine, and you?
Yeah,
Would you like to say anything about this event?
Yeah, I'm very happy that this event happening here for the first time.
Oh yeah, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, man. Give your best. Show your spirit. This was Pantai, one of the best rider in motocross, especially in Meghalaya, Shillong. And I appreciate that I have got a chance to meet this guy, man. The race is going to start from here. Dekho. These are the setup where riders are going to line up their machine. These are the track, and this is sponsored by, I think, MRF.
If you're not wearing the proper gear, you'll be sent back from the start line and we will start the race without you. So please, come all geared up to race.
So that person is giving a brief discussion that how the race will start and how it will end and how many people are going to ride, and everyone should be with geared up. Whoever is going to participate in the race. This is going to be very amazing, man, because it's my first time that I'm going to see something. Especially this event is like international level. People have came from international level. I don't know which country they have came from. That is why, and it is going to be very massive bike. Because after seeing the people out here, I can guess how many and how it will look at night. I'm just waiting by when I'll get a chance to see these kind of amazing bikes, especially on these track bikes, especially on these track. I have never seen, and especially this one bike, I have never seen that people are, especially the motocross people are jumping from this one. I really wanted to see this. Especially it is hard for me to rotate the camera and to hold the camera by in this manner, because usually I used to do with my GoPro, right? GoPro is like little bit easy for me to operate, but this is iPhone. That is why it's little bit hard for me to put my hands in this manner and to record for a long period. That is why I'm offing the camera and onning the camera. It is like that. So I hope you people will not mind whatever I'm going to show you all in this with my lens.
All set for racing?
Yes, sir.
All set for racing? Yes, sir. All right. Good luck. Break a leg. Have a good race.
It was a brief discussion by this person, and when the race will start, I'm going to sit in that one, not in this one. That is the second one. That is yellow. So I'm going to sit there and I'm going to witness this amazing show, which is happening in Riboy. Now it has started the national anthem, and everyone is standing, respecting. Actually, I didn't got a perfect angle to record this jump because I'm like way far and these like too many barriers are in between. So hopes I'll get a good way or good angle to record this jump.
Sebastian and Roma! Oh, that was a lovely twist in the air. Absolutely fantastic stuff. Let's see what Roma has got his back. Oh, that's a Shaolin! That was a Shaolin, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's a seat flap. That's a seat flap, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, Shillong.
Wow, bhai. It looks really very good.
Come on, Shillong. Do you want to see a backflip? Oh, that's a lovely seat flap. And we just got right.
The audience is going really very crazy.
Oh, let's see what Sebastian has got in his sleeve. Oh, that's a no
nice. The first black. There one more. Woo! This is what everyone was waiting for. Why? Nice. Whoever came here today, I hope it's their first time to see this kind of international level of racing, especially in Meghalaya Shillong. And I am glad that I am a part of this event.
Well, these are the Shillong local class 47. Sean has taken the whole job. What a whole job by Sean. And after all, the leader, but let's see if the hero wants to keep that cool. There's a clever veteran. Imran Pasha. Then the best part will be the hero of the previous war. Karan Kumar is not letting Imran Pasha go. And Haruki is taking the lead. The hero wins.
Very loud. The way these people are riding these machines, my hats off to these people, man. Especially the riders, whoever is riding on this track. Oh! Hey! Go! Go for it! Don't stop! Ah, nice! Start the machine, yes! Start the machine! Hey, get up, bro! Get up! Go for it! Get up! Go! Go, man! Push! Well done, boy! Well done! Nice! This is how to support the riders, especially who is riding on this track. Because the way these people are riding, it's very much of the pressure these people are having inside the helmet. Only these people knows how they are feeling inside. And that is how we, the spectators, are supporting these people in this manner, especially from outside.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, these guys are best in the world. They are performing in front of you. And on the tabletop we have Sebastian!
No, I just wanted to come here to thank you guys for the first show. I saw that you start to be warmed up already. I mean, we're expecting more, Shillong. Do you think you can get more loud than in the first one? Show it now! Yeah, okay, and never forget our MC, Rusty here. So let's go with a three. When I calculate 3, let's go for Rusty. 1, 2, 3. And then one more for all the team working hard, all the riders, crew, mechanics, for all this event. Let's go one for everyone working hard for this event. Now! You can do better. 1, 2, 3, now! Okay, let's go with the freestyle.
Alright, that was awesome, Sebastian. Thank you so much. Shillong, you guys are a great crowd. Make some noise for Sebastian and Roman. A huge thanks to our title sponsor, MRF Tires.
what we wanted to see.
Wow!
But double backflip, wow!
Make some noise!
Yes, I'm very happy. I don't know. I struggle a lot in Indian export, but in this class, I didn't hope to win, but I did my best. Yes, glory be to God. Thank you.
So hope so you people like this video, and special thanks to the organizer for organizing this international kind of event, especially for the people of Shillong, and thanks for this guest which I have got for me. So hope so you people like this video, so like, comment and subscribe मत भूलना.